Nearby the mountain can be a folk can be I'm clear.
13 बजे तो अपना बिहार संकरे
Guys, number bye.
It's yellow, mellow, and hello, it's me. I'll take you on a journey here with me.
Hey, this is Santi, and me and my secondary friends, we went for a small trip into Lake and Bolwa. So if you haven't watched the part 1, then I'll put the link in the description, so go and check it out. And this is the continuation of part 2.
Mamuta ki daga aise la ai niliyo koi di bagai di na ona
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Kaya kita ko muna sa rompe. Thank you especially.
last night जो mau barang naik ना
Kili mo na kuido.
Bui patora ase awas sulai sile te bui khaina no par pisap peda na tara lomben dibe
Kili po kayo na mo.
barang naik light kita kan naik
To jungle asa no eh.
pai naik dulu
aru mani ki gumawale dia nai
Osa ase mo sa to tin sige. I can see my eye bags.
कोई पत्रा खान इसना करने तो नो यहाँ ट्रिप ना
Oy.
because of this
Tuish
stupid
na.
boy, I didn't sleep for 2 nights
Kandi kandi.
enjoy kurise duk dise rombe ra alak pati ku duk dia nai ide saitan daga ami ku duk dia nai kani ron bai duk dise aru tai
Oh, saitan ba bi duk na ti kili duk siya.
oh छैदन ला पता न क्यों ना छैदन तो अलग
Korma fresh tige ko green daga waro.
yeah but you should ini early morning do uthina sai jaga bishi mal daise
Hoy na.
ede nearby the mountain kan dibi na folk kan dikina na clear daise
Osa ase.
Relax na
Ha?
and then early morning 3 there bonfire banawle dimi tage mate ta ki korse moi bui lage je jawle
Rompe mo no.
नो राती थी ऐसे कौन बाडो लो ना
और राती हुई 3 बजे हुई और early morning 3 ya
अंधेरा ऐसे
Oh, san ki ke man baje wala siya. Tijun da barde ko.
3 बजे तो थमली नहीं की अरे 3 बजे तो अपना बिहार
no around 5 na bala is
नहीं 4 ऐसे 4
5 punchulan des da
4 around 4:15 do थी ना
na
5 ते दे हुआ से रिकी जस्ट नहीं है
Moy time sawa.
5 दे से 5:20 दे हुआ
man diri ona to mujina agi de wash up kodande andera dai suno hai
ओए टाइम दे 4 ना दे
Wow, tijun na tibit man lamba jaye ko.
it's okay we're done thank you so much
Bye bye.
Thank you so much for having fun with us.
see you next time
Bu patra khan gane noi de.
Sarang.
Sankare.
I'm so sorry you guys have to see my ugly face. But currently I'm brushing my teeth. After that I'll be washing up and then I'll be soaking in some sun, some good sunlight. After that we'll be making breakfast. After that we'll leave for our next location, that is Boilwa Farm in Peren, which is just few kilometers away from this place where we're staying right now. The sunlight is so good. The sky is so clear. I'm just listening to the birds chirping and the stream flowing and looking at the view for the last time before we leave for the next location, and just soaking everything in before we leave. Just look at him, he's dozing off and he didn't sleep well as he mentioned earlier. So he is very tired and sleepy, so he's dozing off again and again. So cute. So this is our breakfast. It's boiled rambam with boiled egg, and I added some leftover pork from last night. Listen, on the way I did not record much because we may or may not have got distracted or lost. I won't say lost, but then we got confused on the way, so we went halfway and then we couldn't find any farm, so we thought we are going the wrong way, so we came back and then we asked someone and then we went back again. So finally we reached this beautiful place, Polwa. Aduh, shit. Just look at them. They are so cute. Oh my god, I'm literally dying. I want to hold them, but can you see this fence? We can't go beyond this fence. As you're seeing this area, we can't go there because they have closed down since April and it's already May and it's been 1 month. They said like they shut it down because they brought some new breeds, maybe that's why. So the owner is not allowing, but maybe in future they will allow. But I really want to go beyond this fence and pet them. Oh my god, that's a bummer, but maybe next time. Just look at this beautiful, breathtaking view. It's so beautiful. And also, on a side note, can you guys see 2 of my friends going downhill? It was so down that we were not able to go. Like, they went till the end. Kudos to them. And also, can you see my other 2 friends up there taking pictures? So cute. Yeah, we came all the way from up there. And can you guys see this dog? It's so cute. It's so pretty. So we're finally done and we're leaving for Dimapur, but first of all we'll drop one of our friends who stays in Kohima and then we'll proceed with Dimapur. We just stopped on the way and look at this view with all the clouds and the rain. It looks so beautiful. But yeah, we're here to rest for a few minutes, and then some of them will be drinking tea, red tea, and then we'll head back again. Guys, na bye bye.
Bye. Ini ngasuk ya di sumber log bawa. Safe journey guys.
Oh my god. These are some of the pictures that we have captured in this 1.5 day trip, and we all are going to remember it, I'm sure about that. And here is a quote that I really love by Robert Louis Stevenson. We all are travelers in the wilderness of the world, and the best we can find in our travels is an honest friend. So cheers to this friendship, and looking back 10 years from now, I hope we all will remember this trip forever. And also I hope that we have many more trips like this even in future with these amazing people. And also thank you so much to everyone who are watching us do stupid things and for bearing with us. Thank you so much.
Come on.